So hello friends, in this video we will learn about the type of the force. In the previous video we will learn about a force and the formula of the force and take the example of the force. So in this video we will learn type of force. So there are two type of force, that is contact force and non-contact force. So friend, what is contact force and what is non-contact force? Firstly, we will learn the definition of the contact force. A contact force is a force that is applied when two objects is touch. A contact force is a force that is applied when two objects will be a touch. Then, what is non-contact force? A force that one object can apply to another object without touching. That is called non-contact force. It means contact force. In a contact force, two objects will be touched, and in a non-contact force, both the objects are opposite to each other without touching. So these are known as non-contact force. Then gravity and magnetic force are the example of non-contact force. The example of the non-contact force is magnetic or gravity are the example of the non-contact force. Then what is contact force? In a briefly we will learn. A contact force occurs when the object or material exerting the force touches the object or material on which the force will be act. What does it mean? In the previous slide you will look that the definition, that is a contact force is a force that is applied when two objects is touch. What does it mean? A contact force is applied when two objects are touches. Exerting the force touches the object or material on which force should be acts. If both the objects should be touched to each other, then force should be act. Then what does it mean by non-contact force? In a briefly we will learn non-contact force. Non-contact force without touching. They all exert their force without having to touch the object. The types of the non-contact force: first one is magnetic force, electrostatic force, and last one is gravitational force. So in this video lecture we will learn type of force is contact or non-contact force. Contact force is applied when two objects are touched, and non-contact force is applied when two objects are not touching without each other. And then after we will learn briefly about the contact force, and after we will learn non-contact force and its type, that is magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force. So in the next video lecture we will learn the different topics.